Hello everyone. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here with another update video. Journal Jam December Daily. So if you remember this cover, I took one of the signatures out because I'm working on it. And I want to show you what I have going on here. I believe when I showed this last to you, I was showing you the SVG files, etc., etc. I've made a few pages. We have some pages in here, days 1 through 8, and I'm here to share. It's super duper cute. So let's take a look. So we've got, this is an SVG file. All right, there's the Mary in the back and then the December in the front. Then we have, this is a pocket that looks like a, kind of a play on a house, right? With the door here. Look at that gorgeous paper with that Santa there. So there's acetate in here. You can put something in this pocket. You can line the windows with photos and still put something in the pocket. I say leave the Santa there. We've got this little countdown tag right here. Let me zoom in. I feel like we need to zoom in here because that is how good it is. So hang on, guys. That's out. Let's go back in. Come take a ride with me. Come on in just a little bit more. There we go. I think you guys are close enough. Look at this. So a little countdown tag right here. I did some stamping. I'm getting a little carried away with the stamping, but I'm loving it. So this was printed on just a distress paper, and I did some stamping. Again, this is an SVG file, and we assembled the pocket together. I'm so in love with this project that we are going to continue making this on YouTube. I will be posting the videos to YouTube. There's still time for you guys to catch up, so please do. You get the paper collection and the project combo. All right, everything comes in the project folder. I will link you down below. Look at this fun little Santa tab. Here is our number 1. And I added this skate to the other side of that. So the skate kind of hangs out in the front and then the number 1 in the back. Then this opens for some additional journaling space here. Look at how cute these numbers are. It's a little tree. It's just so stinking cute. I just love it. Here I chopped up the calendar and I put it in here for some more interesting journaling. There's December 1st on the Friday. And then I added my embellishment front and back. Here I left this open for a tuck space. I used some washi. So lots of writing space here. Look at how beautiful this looks. Just so gorgeous. So this is on the back of your page 1. I just added an extra layer. All right, just to show you that technique of adding an extra layer, guys. Then here on our day number 2, there's our number. Look at how adorbs. This opens up here and we have all of this space for writing, lots of stamping just to create some interest without the bulk. And that's what stamping does for you. You do not have to be an expert stamper to stamp. Just stamp, guys. That is it. Coincidentally, I have a great little stamping class. It's called Sensational Stamping. Also 60% off, by the way. It's a very light and easygoing stamping class showing you how I do things, guys. How I do things which are very easy. Not too much technical things involved. Just a bit of technique and just showing you how to stamp and create embellishments with stamps. So check it out if you're interested. It's pretty good, guys. It's pretty good if I do say so myself. So we have some tuck space, a little reference to December Daily, some insertion points here. We've got a pocket card. There's the back of that calendar. Here's some stamping on this postcard here as well. Some background stamping, just cute, total cuteness. And again, everything you see here is in your project folder. You do not need a wide format printer for printing. You print everything at 8.5 by 11 or 8 by 8, and I explain in the project folder as well. Here is your number 3. Here we have a bottom tuck and a few bits of layering pieces, a spot for some hidden journaling, and a little paper clip to keep that in place. And you can just glue, if you put a photo in there, a note, whatever, you glue it in once you're done, or you could just tuck it in. You don't have to glue it in if you don't want to. Here we have another tuck space. This is your number 4. Look at how cute that number 4. So different. So all of the numbers are different, and that's what makes it super interesting. I love it. I added some trim. The 2 times a year where I get fancy with trim and glitter, that is Halloween and Christmas. I didn't do it for Halloween. I don't think I did. And here I got super fancy. I've got quite a bit more trim to add to this project, so it's turning out really cute. Some stamping down here below. That flips over. I left some room for writing. So 3 pages for writing. And then I did another adding a layer right here. See this? I added this envelope. This is just a junk envelope that I did some stamping on and made it look like a Christmas envelope, right? Here is number 5. So this is held together with a paper clip. Room for journaling and photos. There's your number 5. It says do not open until. So really cute. There's some more trim. In the envelope, we have a photo mat and a pocket. Pockets in your project folder with a portion of the naughty and nice list right here in your project folder as well. This is another printable. All right. The pocket is a printable. And this goes inside of the envelope along with a photo mat for photos or journaling. I say photos for myself because I'm not big on journaling. I always say I don't have a lot to say, although I'm talking all the time. So I don't know, guys. I don't know. My husband, Broderick, would say, I don't know, babe. I think you've got lots to say. But I just don't write it down. So I did that with the washi, front and back. If this book is for you and you feel like you don't need all of this room, you can always just easily glue the envelope down to the page. You don't have to kind of taper it in the way I did there. Here is that naughty and nice list. Again, another printable. Look at that, how adorable. The little check marks. Here you write the child's name. So cute. So I folded that over so it can fit into your naughty and nice pocket. This is an SVG file. This is day 6. Starting to compile the naughty and nice list for day number 6. Again, starting tomorrow, look out for the how-to videos on every page. Every day I will release a section of videos that show you how to make a day or 2. I'm not sure how I'm going to release them. So pick up your tutorial, print your pages out, get it done, and catch up with me because yes, you can. Yes, you can. By the way, this is a gift. All right, I'm giving this away, so I'm super excited to finish it. I'm trying not to make this for Kathy and the way that I do my memory keeping, again, which is lots and lots and lots of photos and embellishments, not too much on the journaling side. I'm trying to create a nice balance. I'm not sure that I'm doing that so well. But anyway, here, room for journaling, some stamping, slot, washi for a photo, and my style, lots of super cute embellishments. Here, bottom tuck, pocket tuck, day number 7. So this could be a spread on number 7, or this can be a continuation of 6. All depends how my friend wants to treat this baby. Okay, I already told her that I'm giving her this, that I need her to take 1 picture in December so she can document. So she's super duper excited about it. And here is number 8, which is another goodie. So as you can see, I printed my embellishments in did the mirror image so that you can, whatever's on, I can hang them off the page, and whatever's on the back, on the front is on the back, and everything looks beautifully finished. The only downside to doing a mirror image is that the words on the back are backwards. So I covered that up with our number 8 with a little photo mat. So you can put a photo there. There's another removable photo mat here So there's lots of stamping. So there's a really nice balance between stamping and embellishing. Here, I went a little crazy. I did stamping, stenciling, and some doodling. So just went around the flower, not perfect. I have to say I've seen this on, I watch a lot of the Tim Holtz videos. I love his holiday videos, and his design team is amazing. So I just have to give them a shout out because this is not a Kathy thing. If you guys follow me, you know this is not my thing. But I love it. I saw it and I love the little bit of doodling on the stenciling. I feel like it makes it pop. And it's so imperfect that it's perfect that I love it. So just a little shout out to all of the designers because this is where I learned this. This wasn't, you know, Kathy stuff here. This is, I guess, Tim Holtz style. I don't know, or his designer style. So I just wanted to give a little shout out. So I will be finishing this up. I don't think I'm going to do every flower, but I do think that it adds that pizzazz that it needs. So here I got a little cluster going. I also did it to the 25. It just makes it pop. If you look at that and that, so different. And it gives it that little touch of whimsy. So I just love what I did here with the stencils. These are 2 different stencils and 2 different stamps. There's 3 different stencils. And you'll see that in the project folder. You'll see I did it in the project folder and it turned out really, well, here it is. It turned out really, really nice. I actually did it here. But my lovely granddaughter came in here, and of course Granny had to give her a hug, and she smeared. It wasn't dry yet, so I had to redo it on another piece of paper. So it turned out really nice. It's actually still not dry. Oh, so this ink does not dry on the scratchy paper well. I guess I don't know, it must have a coating that it doesn't absorb. So anyway, I guess I would have had to redo it anyway. So I redid it. It's fabulous. So this is where I left off. Look out for the videos. I hope you guys join me. I take you from start to finish. On YouTube, I'm going to post all of the pages. I can't post everything because there's so much footage. Because again, I go from start to finish on this project on how to make the book cover. So we'll see, but I'm definitely going to post the countdown pages, the countdown, because it's so fabulous to watch. I hope you love it. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know your thoughts, but everything is in the project folder. I will link you to the project folder as well. Whether the videos are on YouTube or not, you still need the project folder to access all the files, the cutting guides, all that jazz. So get to it, guys. Get to crafting. Let me know what you think about these pages so far. I can't wait to bind everything and put it into the book and give it as my gift. I think it's so, so adorable. So we're going to have 2 signatures, 1 through 12, and the second signature will be 13 through 25. So super fab. December daily journal jam style. If you've never made one of these books, I'm here to tell you that beware. You will be addicted. All right? Absolutely addicted. If you love mini albums and you haven't ventured out, this is a cross between mini albums, planner, bullet journaling, and junk journals. So you get all of this in one book, and I have to tell you, it is so fun. You get so much creative freedom, and gosh, you're gonna love it, guys. You are going to love it. And remember, I warned you that you will be addicted. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and I'll see you in the next video.